Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the acceptability of Turing machine. Okay, this is similar to the acceptability of finite automata. In addition to that, we are adding the directions here. Okay, now let us see the problem. Here we have a transition table. Present states are given, and the inputs are given, and we have the transitions which are given along with the directions. Now, how do you say that it is acceptable by Turing machine? Is we should reach the final state. In the given question, Q6 is the final state. Okay, so when when a string is given to us, we are going to pass the string from the initial state towards the remaining states. At the end, when the string is completed, we should be at the state Q6. Then it means the string is acceptable. Now let us see this. A string is given 0 1 1. Okay, string is Q1 0 1 1. So first initially we pass the string to the initial state Q1, which is given in the question. Q1 as initial state with an arrow mark. Okay. Now acceptability is always defined by this symbol, that is inverted T. Start with initial state Q1 0 1 1. So we'll check this in the given question. Q1 0, Q1 with 0, it is given as XR Q2. It means whenever 0 is there, replace 0 with X. First symbol X represents replace 0 with X. Okay. So 0 is written as X and Q1 is changed to state Q2. Okay. And it is given as R. R means towards right side of Q1 we have 0. We have to jump over the symbol 0 and Q1 should shift after 0. Okay. So what we are doing is, the technique here is first jump over the symbol towards right side is given. So towards the right side of 0 we write it as Q11. Okay, we have jumped over this 0 towards the right side. That is only one symbol at a time. Then Q1 has to be changed to Q2. I am writing it as Q2, and 0 has to be changed to X. So this is X. So this is our resultant what we get. Now similarly we have to, then next symbol we have to consider after state, whatever symbol is there, take only the single symbol which is followed by this state. So Q21 in the transition table, Q21 is given as YLQ3. First we will apply the direction. It is given as left towards Q2. Left side is X, right side is 1. It is given as left. So left is X. So we have to jump over X. That means Q2 will come before X. So this will be QX11 and Q2 is given as Q3. Q2 will be changed to Q3. So I am not writing as Q2, it is Q3. And it is also given that 1 is changed to Y. So Q2, after Q2 we have this one should be written as Y and remaining one as it is. So that is what we get here. Okay, so again repeat the process. Q3 with X, we have to repeat this until we get the final state, or after Q there is no other string, but here we have 3 symbols, so we have to continue. Q3X, we have XR Q5 and it is given as R. So right side we have to jump this, we have to make this state to jump over the right side symbol. Right side symbol of Q3 is X. So above X, Q3 will jump and it is given as Q3 is converted to Q5. So I am writing it as Q5. Okay, and this Y1 we will write as it is, and what is given, X is X only. So there is no replacement for this X. X has to be written as X only. Okay, so then we get like this. Then X Q5 Y1, Q5 with Y. The transition which is given to us is YR QY. That is Y will be Y only, Q5 will be Q5 only, but we have to jump over right side symbol. The right side of QY, Q5 is Y. So Q5 will jump over this Y. After Y, Q5 should be written. So this is X, there is no change in this. Now after Y, Q5 will come and this is our next transition. Now again check, after state there is a symbol is there. So whenever a symbol is there after state, we have to again do the same process. Okay, Q5 with 1, we don't have any transition in the given question. So there is no transition. That means the last state which we obtained is Q5 and this is not the final state. Final state is Q6. Okay, so that we say this is and there is no further transition and it is not acceptable. And one more thing here, even if we get like XY, suppose we got like this XY Q61. Okay, it is just example. xy q6 1, and q6 is final state here. It does not mean this is acceptable. Even if you got the final state as q6, nothing should be there after this string. Okay, if all the string is passed to the final state, then no more string should be left after this final state. Okay, even if any symbol is there after q6, then also it is not acceptable. It should be of this form, something, any string may be there. Okay, after this string it should be directly q6, then such type of thing is acceptable, then this string is said to be acceptable string. Okay, one more string we will take, q1 0 0 1 1. Okay, x q2 0 1 1. So q1 0, q1 0 we have right side, so after this 0 q1 will jump over this right side 0, first 0. Okay, and q1 is changed to q2, so after jumping this is changed to q2, and this 0 should be replaced with x. That's what we are doing x q2, and remaining 0 1 1 is written as it is. Then again compare q2 0, q2 0 is 0 or q2, that is 0 is written as 0 only, q2 is written as q2 only, but it is jumping over one symbol towards the right side. Okay, so right side of q2 is 0, it jumps after this 0, so we get x0 q2 1 1. Then again check q2 1, yl q3, so this 1 is changed to y, 1 is changed to y. Okay, and the q2 must be written as q3, and it is left side of q2 is 0, so this will come before this 0, so we get x q3 and then 0, and this 1 is changed to y, so we are writing it as y and then 1. Okay, again do this one, q3 0, it is given as 0 l q4, left side of q3 is x, so it comes before this, so q3 is written as q4 here, 0 is 0 only, so when it comes towards this, x will be there, it is jumping before the qx, so this is x, this 0 is 0 only in the given question, remaining is y1. Now check the next one, q4x, x is x only, q4 is q1 now, and it is given as right direction, that means it should jump over this x with q and change q4 to q1, 0. Okay, and x is x only in the given question, remaining thing 0 y1. Then again check x, q1 with 0, 0 should be replaced with x here, q1 with q2, and it should go towards right side. So first we will do direction operation, so before 0 will come here, okay, towards this it should jump, remaining as y1. Now change this one, 0 should be written, this is a 0 place, it should be written as x, q1 should be written as q2. Similarly q2y, it is left side, so it should move before this x, so before this x I am not writing anything because q2 has to be changed to q3, I am not writing any suffix, so this x q2y, q2y is, okay, q2y, it is given as right side, so x, after y we get q2, and q2 is q2 only, I am writing it as q2 only, y is should be written as y, so it is y only, and remaining is 1. Then q2 1, it is yl q3, so x, it is left side, so it jumps across this with the changed state q3 which is given here, and y will be there, and 1 is changed to y. Then again q3y, if you find out q3y, we get yl q3, that is jump towards this left side as q3. Okay, and this x will be written as it is, and this is y and y. Okay, similarly take this, and this y is y only in the given transition table. Then find out q3x, x are q5, it should go towards the right side of this, so x will come here, this is q3 should be changed to q5, and x is x only as it is given, and y. Then again find q5 with y, okay, and it is given as right direction, so it will jump over this y will come to this position, q5 will come to this position, y, and y is not replaced, it is y only, q5 is also q5, and this is y. Again check this one, q5y, x, it is right side, so q5 will come here, y q5, and here nothing is there, That means after q5 nothing is there, it means it is a blank. Then again q5 blank, if you see here we have this option, it is right side b q6. So here we write the right side of this is b, so it moves towards this, we can assume it as b, towards b, and it becomes q6. If blank is there, we can simply neglect, we can simply write it as by q6. So we got the final state q6 and there is nothing, no string left over q6, so this is acceptable.